It's a cold winter night, and you decide to make yourself a hot cup of cocoa. You begin by filling a full cup of cocoa consisting of water and cocoa mixture. You drink 1/8 of it. You then decide that the cocoa needs some milk. You add the same amount of milk as you have just consumed of the cocoa. Next, you drink 1/3 of the new mixture. Again, you decide that the drink needs more milk, so you pour into the cup the same amount of milk as you have just consumed from the new mixture. Now you drink 1/2 of the newest mixture. One last time, you add the same amount of milk as you have just consumed. Finally, you decide the mixture is perfect and you drink the whole cup. What part of the perfect mixture was cocoa and what part was milk? I'm going to solve this problem visually. If you want, you can solve it symbolically using the ideas of fractions without any pictures if you want, but I will solve it visually. So go ahead, give this problem a shot. If you cannot solve it, feel free to watch the rest of the video. So I have the question here, and I have a 3x8 grid representing 1 whole cup of cocoa. So this is a cup of cocoa which has no milk in it, it's brown. And why 3x8? 3x8 is actually a product of this and this to guarantee that I can express 1/8 and 1/3. I also want to guarantee that I can express 1/2, but 8 is a multiple of 2, so 2 divides 8. Therefore, 3x8 or 24 is a good choice because I can find 1/8, 1/3, 1/2 of 24 fairly easily. That's the justification for the choice for the size of my 1 cup of cocoa. Again, this is 1 whole cup of cocoa. So now, 1/8 of your cup is milk and 7/8 of your cup is still cocoa. And you have to understand it's thoroughly mixed. And now you drink 1/3 of the new mixture. You drink 1/3 of the new mixture. That means you drink 1/3 of the milk and 1/3 of the cocoa. In other words, you can argue that this is how much you drink. You're going to drink this. And all this will be empty and you will replace it with milk. Okay? This is your scenario now. You have some milk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 parts out of 24 parts. If your entire cup has 24 parts, 10 of those parts are milk and 14 of the remaining parts are cocoa. And each part is actually 1/24 of your cup. Those are the basic ideas. Now let's go ahead and look at this one. What do we do here? Now you drink half of the newest mixture. Your newest mixture is described below, right here. You drink half of it. Again, you have to understand, milk and cocoa are mixed thoroughly, so you're going to drink half of the white parts and you're going to drink half of the brown parts. There are 14 brown chunks. You're going to be drinking all of this. Let me change the color to red. When you drink half of your cup now, you're going to be drinking all of this, half of the chocolate, and if you have 10 bits here, 10 white bits representing your milk, half of 10 is 5, you're going to be drinking this much milk. Once again, you have to understand milk and cocoa are thoroughly mixed. When you drink half of the milk and you drink half of the cocoa. So all the boxes that I circled will be replaced with milk. Right here. So this is the perfect mixture. The question says, what part of the perfect mixture is cocoa? And what part of the perfect mixture is milk? Well, there are 7 boxes for cocoa. So I'm going to say cocoa is going to be 7 over 24. And milk is going to be, well, out of 24, 7 of them are cocoa, the rest are milk. And that's going to be your 17 boxes for milk out of 24. So this is the composition of your mixture: 7/24 parts cocoa and 17/24 parts milk.